CFMOTO CRAFTED parts and accessories, where passion meets precision. The journey begins with skilled designers who, as passionate powersports enthusiasts, draw from first-hand real-world experience. Their process guarantees a factory fit while safeguarding the integrity of your vehicle's original specifications. Each product is subjected to rigorous testing and quality control to ensure it meets and exceeds industry durability and safety standards. The result? Dependable products you can count on for years. We want your experience to be as good as it can be. Our warranty isn't just a piece of paper. It's our assurance that a committed team of people, ranging from CFMOTO USA to your dealer, is looking out for you. Fall 2023 marked the grand opening of our brand new US headquarters. It's from here that all CFMOTO crafted parts and accessories are warehoused and shipped. If your dealer doesn't have it in stock, we'll do everything to get you back on the trail without delay. Our commitment to you doesn't end there. CFMOTO Crafted customer service representatives are always ready to help, with full support and guidance throughout your ownership experience. So you see, it's more than just parts and accessories. It's everything and everyone. From the front office to the shipping department, to the truck drivers to your helpful CFMOTO dealer, creating a seamless CFMOTO Crafted experience. CFMOTO Crafted parts and accessories. Experience the difference craftsmanship makes. Exclusively from CFMOTO.